Running a business can significantly impact your life and the lives of those around you. But before you can run a business, you need to learn how to start a business. Entrepreneurship is an idea that appeals to many, but figuring out how to start a business can sometimes be so overwhelming. It scares people away. What should you sell or provide? Who should you sell to? How will you get customers? These 12-time tested steps on how to start a business, whether it's your first or your 10th time, will help you with everything from finding and validating your money-making idea to finally launching your product or service. Hi, if you are new here, welcome to my consulting channel. My name is Michael Tadros, the professor. I have diversified experience for many years working as a project manager for both agile and predictive environments, managing medium to complex projects, as well as working as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs. I am a doctor holding a PhD degree, master's degree, and holding professional certificates such as PMP and others. If you are a project manager, someone who are willing to hit the career of project management, an entrepreneur, a startup business owner, or want to start your own business, subscribe to my channel. New videos are coming to you covering all what you need or think about. Now, if you are excited as I am about how to start a business, let's get to it. Number 1. Refine your idea. If you are thinking about starting a business, you likely already have an idea of what you want to sell online, or at least the market you want to enter. Do a quick search for existing companies in your chosen industry. Learn what current brand leaders are doing and figure out how you can do it better. If you found that your business can deliver something other companies don't, or it might be delivered the same thing, only faster and cheaper, then you have got a solid idea and are ready to create a business plan. Number 2, always start with why. It's good to know why you are launching your business. In this process, it might be wise to differentiate between whether the business serves a personal why or a marketplace why. When your why is focused on meeting a need in the marketplace, the scope of your business will always be larger than a business that is designed to serve a personal need. Number 3, clarify your target customers. People jump into launching their business without spending time to think about who their customers will be and why would want to buy from them or hire them. You need to clarify why you want to work with those customers. For example, do you have a passion for making people's life easier, or enjoy creating art to bring color to their world? Identifying these answers helps clarify your mission. You want to define how you will provide this value to your customers and how to communicate that value in a way that they are willing to pay. Number 4, write a business plan. Once you have your idea in place, you need to ask yourself a few important questions. What is the purpose of your business? Who are you selling to? What are your end goals? How will you finance your startup costs? These questions can be answered in a well-written business plan. You need to find your target customer base. Who is going to buy your product or service? If you can't find evidence that there is a demand for your idea, then what would be the point? Number 5, conduct market research. Market research helps you understand your target customer, their needs, preferences, and behavior, as well as your industry and competitors. Many small business professionals recommend gathering demographic information and conducting a comprehensive analysis to better understand opportunities and limitations within your market. Number 6, consider an exit strategy. Regardless you don't like it, it's also a good idea to consider an exit strategy as you compile your business plan. Generating some ideas of how you will eventually exit the business forces you to look to the future. Too often, new entrepreneurs are so excited about their business and pretty sure that everyone everywhere will be a customer that they give very little, if any, time to show the plan on leaving this business. Number 7, assess your finances. Starting any business has a price. So you need to determine how you are going to cover those costs. Do you have the means to fund your startup, or will you need to borrow money? If you are planning to leave your current job to focus on your business, do you have money put away to support yourself until you make a profit? It's best to find out how much your startup costs will be. Many startups fail because they run out of money before turning a profit. It's never a bad idea to overestimate the amount of startup capital you need, as it can be a while before the business begins to bring in sustainable revenue. One way you can determine how much money you need is to perform a break-even analysis. This is an essential element of financial planning that helps business owners determine when their company, product, or service will be profitable. Number 8. Watch your expenses. Don't overspend when starting a business. Understand the types of purchases that make sense for your business and avoid overspending on fancy new equipment that won't help you reach your business goals. Monitor your business expenses to ensure you are staying on track. Long time ago, I had worked with a startup that had 2 employees but spent a huge amount on office space that would fit 20 people, and had purchased a professional high-end printer that was more suited for a team of 100. Spend as little as possible when you start, and only on the things that are essential for the business to grow and be a success. Luxurious can come when you are established. Number 9. Consider your funding options. Startup capital for your business can come from various means. The best way to acquire funding for your business depends on several factors, including creditworthiness, the amount needed, and available options, such as business loans, some investors, or crowdfunding. Number 10. Build your team. Unless you are planning to be your only employee, you are going to need to recruit and hire a great team to get your company off the ground. The entrepreneur needs to give the people element of his business the same attention he gives his products or services. Number 11. Brand yourself. Before you start selling your product or service, you need to build up your brand and get a following of people ready to jump when you open your doors for business. That could be through your logo, your website, social media accounts, etc. Also, keep these digital assets up to date with relevant and interesting content about your business and industry. Number 12. Grow your business. Your launch and first sales are only the beginning of your task as an entrepreneur. To make a profit and stay afloat, you always need to be growing your business. It's going to take time and effort, but you will get out of your business what you put into it. Collaborating with more established brands in your industry is a great way to achieve growth. Reach out to other companies and ask for some promotion in exchange for a free product sample or service. Partner with a charity organization and volunteer some of your time or products to get your name out there. Now, I believe you have a little bit more information about how to start a business and how to ensure that your business don't fail. Please note that while these tips will help launch your business and get you set to grow, there is never a perfect plan. You want to make sure you prepare thoroughly for starting a business, but things will almost certainly go drifted. You must adapt to changing situations. I highly recommend you to practice these tips. It will truly make a difference when you start your business. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press subscribe, like, and share, and leave your feedback, questions, or suggestions for future videos. I will be more than happy to reply and assist you. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.